この番組は、レストアパーツ藤原豆腐カフェの提供でお送りします。
What's up guys, welcome back to the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe channel. Today we just received a huge package from Japan, and yes, it is for our AE86. Well, inside this package is actually a reproduction Zenki bumper for the AE86. Since we are repainting our A6 right now, so I was thinking might as well to just get a new bumper before we start painting it. So in this episode, we're gonna unbox this and check it out together. Toyota actually stopped making these JDM bumpers long time ago, so that's why it is nearly impossible to find a brand new JDM bumpers nowadays. And even if you're lucky enough to find a used one, it's gonna cost you a lot just for a bumper. So I've actually been waiting for some company to start remaking these JDM front bumper. So that's why when I see restoreparts.com start remaking them, I decided to jump in and get myself one. So that's the one I got, which is the Zenki front bumper. And they also have the trunk panel, some brackets, the gas door, rear quarter panels, and the front hood for the Tueno. I believe they also have a Levin front end hood as well. They also carry parts for the Skyline and the Fairlady Z. So yeah, if you guys are interested to get some reproduction parts for your old car, make sure you check it out on the restoreparts.com. Now let's go ahead and unwrap this and check out the front bumper. This is it guys, check this out. The Zenki bumper is actually made in the same PP material as the original one. It is quite pricey for an aftermarket version of a part that used to be $200-300 from a dealership here. However, they actually gave us a discount on the bumper. So yeah, I think it's worth it, consider it is nearly impossible to find a brand new one nowadays. Some of you might think it is too much for a bumper, but hey, you can't find this anymore. So yeah, if you guys are interested to get yourself one, make sure you go check it out on their website. So that's the front bumper that we're gonna put on our A6 before we start painting it, and that's a wrap for today's video. Just kidding. Now we're gonna take this bumper into our Impreza and head to the body shop and check out the A6 right now. The Impreza is actually one of my daily driver, and I've been dailying it for like 2-3 years already, and it never let me down. I love it so much, even though it's got so much rust on the car, but yeah, it always gets me from point A to point B. I love it so much. Alright, let's go. So we're here at the body shop already. I just dropped off the Zenki bumper here, and now let's go check out our A6. Well, they actually have one here, but let's go check out our A6 first. Wait, I think I see it. Hello there! Long time no see, buddy. It looks so weird without the wrap. The body shop is actually gonna help me to put extra clear coat on both the carbon fiber hood and the carbon fiber headlight covers. So it should look like brand new again when I come pick up the car. Probably next month. Yeah, at least another month before I can drive it home. And Joshua actually helped me to swap out the SL5 rear end with a GTS one already, so the car shouldn't have any problem when I come pick up the car. I really miss seeing this car in my driveway. I can't wait to drive it home.
I go crazy thinking about you. I need your love as I'm on fire.
Now let's check out this 86 coupe. It is a SL5, but the paint, it looks super good. Yeah, so the quality of the paint is gonna be looking like this on our car. Sick. So that's a wrap for today's video. Next time when we see this car, it's probably the day when I'm taking it home. So once again, thank you for watching our video. If you love what we do at Fujiwara Tofu Cafe, make sure you like this video, subscribe our channel, and leave us a comment down below. As always, everything starts with a dream. Later.
Thinking about you, I need your love.